So let me show you this pro tip. I know you can buy commercially what they're called bandy clamps, whether you can use this as for edge banding when you're putting a piece of wood around plywood, edge banding strip, or if you wanted to clamp something and make it secure onto a pipe, you could do that. But you can buy them or you can make them yourself. Let me show you. So to make this clamp, what you need to do, you go to your home store, 99 cents, get a 2-inch spring clamp. You can remove the protective cover they got on there. This is an old inner tube tire. You can just get one off of an old bike that has holes in it, or you can buy it. What I like to do is cut off, let's see here, how much do we need? Probably need about this much right here. And for those of you interested in how long that is, that's about 7.5 inches. So what we'll do is we'll get, see if we can, this will cut it. Yep. Cut you off some inner tube. You slide it down on one end. Slide it down on the other end. Put the extra piece inside here. There you go, you got your own cheap bandy clamp for, let's say, 99 cents plus a recycled inner tube.